Okay, just take a moment for this hair. Hey, welcome guys. Today we are going to be talking about how I achieved this beautiful burgundy, coppery, I don't even know how to call it, reddish look on this hair. It was black before I turned it to this color. Like, I just felt black has been, all my hair is like practically black. Like, I was just bored of everything. Like, I was looking at my hair and I was just bored. I'm like, okay, I think the lady needs to revamp. And since this is the revamp season, we are revamping. Let's just switch things up a bit, and I'm really glad how this turned out to be. I love it so much, and let's just get right into how we achieved this color. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please subscribe, please like, please give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. I love you. Let's just get right into the tutorial. So I bought a lot of colors. I bought magenta, I bought red copper, I bought red. I really didn't know which one to go for, but those were the colors that I bought. And I bought the conditioner and the shampoo. I used the ION color, the treatment. I don't know, I just wanted something good. And like you can see, that's the mixing bowl, the developer, and comb and gloves, and basically all the things that you need to for your hair. And then I went ahead to section the hair in like 3 different parts. Yeah. Oh, that's my baby. So we're having a video call while I'm working. So I mixed the magenta with the developer, and then the copper red. There was like a color activator that made it turn like really copper. So I just sectioned it and I just did it like in different ways, like, but I make sure that the magenta was the one that was on top. This is the magenta actually, and that was the one that I made sure that was on top, because I really wanted that wineish reddish effect, because in all honesty it was red. I really wanted to go for, I wanted to do copper, like just copper on its own, but I just thought, okay, let me just mix everything all up. So this is like the copper, but I felt that it was too orange, like, so I added a bit of red to it so it would just tone it down and all of that. So that is that. I mixed everything thoroughly, and I just started putting everything on the hair. Also, I made sure I bought a lot so as not to, I didn't want to run out of the dye. And as you can see, like, everything was well coated. Oh god, my baby. The doll, I wish I remembered on time. If I had known, I would have just put maybe like a paper bag on the doll for it to not sting, but it's all good. And then I went to just put it in an aluminium foil and then put it in a ziploc and then left it for about 8 hours, and that's what it came out with. Very beautiful. Like, I really like this color. That's just it in the natural state, but I went ahead to curl it. I added some serum, and there's this gloss thing I have. I just use it for my hair. It just like makes my weave shine and all that. So I just put that with it, and I just curled it, and it gave me that curl and the goodness. So just enjoy the rest of the video. Oh my god, like, guys, can you guys just see these coils? Like, oh goodness, it's so yummy. Like I really love how the curls came out. I wanted a loose curls though. I didn't want anything extra. Welcome back. This thing is not even as hard as you think. Honestly, the only thing is it is time consuming. I must confess, you just need a bit of time. I mean, if you dedicate like a day for this hair, you are going to achieve the hair. The hair spent about 5 to 8 hours. I think I after I colored it, I think it stayed for about 8 hours, but I made sure that I bought what will make the hair come out well, like the conditioner and all of that. I think I splurged on the conditioner and the shampoo just because I didn't want to spoil the hair and I didn't know how the color was going to take the hair. But overall, I love this look. Love you so much, and I'm gonna see you on my next one. Bye. I use the L'Oreal highlights color. Like there's gonna be. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be. If the man says he wants different things, you are capable of giving him. You know, if the man says he wants different things, you are capable of doing.